So how can you custom or customize your apps on the iPad? Let me show you some ways we can do it. If this is your first time being here on this channel, consider subscribing for more tutorials and similar videos like this one. Okay, so you can do some different things to your apps, like you can reorganize them and put them in folders, but in order to change the way it kind of looks, a lot of people use the Apple Shortcuts app to set up a shortcut which then gets fully customized. And the way that it would work is that you start a new one, like you literally just click on the plus button to start a new shortcut, and for the action you pick the ability to open an app. You then select the app from your list, like it can be any app you want, and then you can click on the share icon and click on add to the home screen, so you kind of replace the app with a shortcut of the app, with the difference that this is much more customizable. So you can choose an image to be something completely different for the app icon. So you can download something from the internet or choose whatever you want, but that is going to be the thing which you are doing to that app, right? Obviously, the original is still there in the app library, but we now have a shortcut which triggers the very same app, but it looks completely different. You can even change the name of the app, sort of, or name of the shortcut, and it's going to look completely different. So this is the best way to customize the way the app looks. Let me know in the comments below if that was the thing you were looking for. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.